execute the JUnit tests in TeamCity server. So for that, you go to the your popular editor and then like IntelliJ here, and then write your tests in the JUnit format. Like this is the JUnit annotation, as you can see over here. I have created some tests like it checks the addition, it checks the multiplication, like that. And I'm using the Maven as my build management system. So in the Maven, in POM file, you have to specify like what kind of tests you want to execute. So as you can see in the Maven Surefire plugin, I have specified that I want to execute all the tests matching this pattern. That means dot star means it will execute all the tests. So once you build the project, you have to commit and push to the GitHub or the any Git repository server. So right now I'm using the GitHub as my repository, and I have already pushed this particular project, JUnit project, to the GitHub, and I'll show you that. So as you can see, this is my GitHub account, and this project I updated just 5 minutes ago. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna execute the tests in this particular project in TeamCity. So let me switch to the TeamCity server interface, and over here I'm gonna create one project. So to create a project, what you have to do is let's say I'm gonna create the build configuration actually. So I'm gonna create that build configuration in this particular project, Maven project. So click on that and then click on edit project settings here on the right side. On this page you will find this button, create build configuration. Click on that, and then here you can give the name of your project, say Maven JUnit, and click on create. After that you have to specify the GitHub account details. Like here you can choose the existing VCS root, but I do not want to do that. I want to create a new one from the Git account. So I click on create, and then next page I have to give the root name. This is JUnit tests, and here you have to give the fetch URL. So for this particular project, let me copy the URL. So I can copy the HTTPS or this SSH URL. I just copied that. I'm gonna paste it over here, and anonymous method, you can choose here uploaded key, and rest of the things look pretty much same. Then click on test connection. Connection is successful. So here you can give the user ID password as well. I have used the SSH protocol to download that particular Git repository, so I just use that authentication method as uploaded key, but you can definitely use the password if you want to use the HTTP protocol to download the Git repository. And after that click on create, and it will create a project for you. So here the project is created, sorry, build configuration is created, and I'm going to click on save. And the next page you have to click on build steps. So here I'm gonna auto detect the build steps, so it will create the steps for me automatically. So the goal is clean tests, that is what I want, and I'm gonna click on run after this process ends. So I click on use selected, and after that I can click on run, and the build will start running. So it will actually download that particular repository from that server, and then it will execute the tests that we have created in the TeamCity. So it is started running that build. If you look at the build log, it will give you the detailed description, like what steps it is executing. It is checking out that repository and then building that particular repository as JUnit tests. It has started building this particular project using Maven. it's downloading these particular libraries, because we are executing that test for the first time. Next time it will not download that, because that will be available to the TeamCity. So you can see that it is downloading this JNet and then Selenium and all that APIs, and here it is compiling these models, and the next step is to test that or execute the JNet tests inside that. So for the compilation it needs extra libraries, so it is downloading that one. So it's executing the tests, and some tests have passed, some have failed. And it has also got the Android tests, but they are gonna fail. But that's the overall picture, like how you can execute the JNet tests. So as you can see, these tests are running, and you can also look at the artifacts and all that stuff. So in the artifact section you can find the artifacts if you have set up those artifacts, and in the tests it will display all the tests that have been executed or ignored or passed or failed. So that's how you can execute the JNet tests in TeamCity server.
Hi friends, if you find this video useful, please hit like button, and for more videos, please subscribe to my channel, and also visit www.softforce.org for more tutorials and updated videos. Thanks for watching my video.